Sana lang ingatan mo siya.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are on our episode 9 of Make Your Impact series here inside FabLab Mindanao. So in this episode, I will be teaching you on how to operate our Vaquform machine. So first, I will be teaching you on what are the parts of this machine before we get going to the operation of the Vaquform. So this is the Vaquform machine. So first part is this one, the lower unit. So this part where they store all the electronic and also the hybrid vacuum system. Second is this one, the heater. Third one is this one, the handlebar. This one. Third one is the sliders, this one, and also this one. Fifth one is the power button, this one, power button. Next is the LCD screen, this one. 7 is the left button. 8 is the select button. 9 is the right button, and 10 is start button. So we have here 11, the power port. 12 is the main switch. 13, the toggle clamps, also this one. 14 is the adjustment screws, here. 15 is the linkage, this one, linkage. 16 is the sheet clamp, this one, sheet clamp, this one. So this is where you put your materials between the sheet clamp and the plate. Last one is this USB port. So we have here the LCD screen. So here is the plastic type. This one is HIPS. We have here forming temperature. It is already been set for HIPS. It's 160 degrees. So PVC is 170. We have here ABS also 170. So number 3 is, this one is the current temperature, the 23 degrees Celsius. So below the current temperature is the timer. Next here, 4 is the thickness of the material. 6 is the vacuum tuning, this one. 7 is the visual prompt. 8 is the text prompt. That is all of the screen, LCD screen. So I am going to operate the Vaquform now, and these are the things that I am needing. So I have here a 3D printed file. This one is a 3D printed cement. Also I have the spanner to remove the sheet clamp, and also gloves and the material. So I have here HIPS. We're going to use HIPS in this tutorial. Also we have here ABS and EVA. So I will be using a HIPS high impact polystyrene 1mm. So I'm going to remove first this one. Okay, I already have the material here. It's a HIPS high impact polystyrene 1mm. So let's start. First, we need to lower down this handlebar. As you can see, we printed a support for the handlebar. Lift the handlebar well, it will go down. So you need to remove this one first. So unlock the toggle clamps, then remove the sheet clamp. Then place this here, 1mm material, and then place it back here, and then unlock, and then raise it up here. We have 4 pieces of magnets each end of the heater. So I'm going to place this one back, put the 3D printed cement in the mesh plate. I have here HIPS. I've already set HIPS to 160 degrees Celsius, and then the current temperature here in our room because we have an IR sensor here to detect the current temperature here inside the lab. So I have also the thickness set. It's 1 mm, and then it's ready to go. And select, and select, 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 and then let's press start. Now it's heating. We'll just wait the current temperature to our desired temperatures. That being set here is a 160 degrees Celsius. So the temperature is rising. So here in the heater, it's melting the material. After the current temperature reaches the 160 degrees Celsius, the machine will give us a beep, and then we just press it down the handlebar and then wait for it to give us a sign that to stop. So be back after this one. So as you notice that we've placed materials earlier, this material, and it's starting to melt. Currently we are on our 98 degrees Celsius going to 160. For the architectural, you can also put something here for the food industry, dental, hobbyist, electronic parts. You can also mold something here. Then I think for this one, you can put cement inside. Try it again. I'm not satisfied with the previous output. So now I'm going to try a cookie cutter, and this one is a vernier caliper holder. Screw this one in your table and then hang your vernier caliper. This one is a Arduino case. So also I'm going to mold this one if we can mold it. I'm just going to remove this too. So yeah, that's it, and we have the cookie cutter, also the Arduino case for electronics. Also we have the vernier caliper holder for the hobbyist, and also have the cement mold here. So that's all, and I hope that you've learned something in this episode on how to operate a Vaquform machine. And stay tuned for more tutorials, and yeah, thank you.